Okay, we started. A live stream. So I'm currently building a chat application right now. Okay, I'm building a messenger here. So let me start. Let me refresh this and introduce you to this application. Let's see, is this recording well? No, not here. Okay. So yeah, okay, I've opened it in two types here. Okay, this one is for the mobile view, and this one is for the desktop view. So I'm busy making sure that it works fine on both devices here. So for desktop, this is how it's going to work. Going to click on a chat here, and it's going to load a chat over here. So yeah, you can do that here. And on the mobile phone or on the mobile devices, you're going to have a chat on a separate page. You're going to click on the chat, and it'll open the chat. Okay, you'll have the inbox on a separate page. Then you need to go on a chat. It takes you to the chat app, to the chat here. So it doesn't change anything here in the field, in the input field here, or in the URL, because I'm currently using state to control and determine which chat I should open and which. So let me demonstrate how it works. So I currently have emojis here. You can open the emojis, close it. Okay, let me just click on an emoji. Yes, just any emoji. Close that. I can upload an image. Let me upload this thumbnail that I've created right now. So everything that I've written there on that input field down there, it's also accessible here, and you can also change it. It's gonna update down there. So let me send the message. Here's the message. So I just created some demo responses here. So I can reply, I can copy the message that was here. This is the message here. So let me just click on this one, then just paste. I can reply this message. So I'm just gonna click reply. So it's going to show me that this was sent by a campus trade admin here. Or if let's say I reply myself, let me reply myself. Click there, it's going to show that I'm replying myself over here. And this is the text that I sent. Okay, so let me just send the message. Okay, it shows that I've replied to that message. Shows the text that I've replied to and who I replied to. Then this is my message. So let's see if I reply to myself again. But then now I'm gonna just upload an image. Let me just upload an image, any image. Just send. What it's gonna do, instead of showing this thing here like how WhatsApp does it, just going to show replying to yourself like this. Oh, let me just reply to this person here. Let me just upload an image. Sveltekit. So it's showing that I've replied to the recipient here, which is campus trade admin right now. So I'm currently using local storage to access these messages here, because I currently do not have a backend for this, or I haven't hooked it up to the backend. So I'm just creating only the front end right now. So yeah, when you open a different chat, you'll see different messages for the chat. Hey, just send a message. You've been typing so long, man. Yeah. So okay, and on mobile, okay, let's see. When you reply on mobile, currently I use the double click button. That's not That's not great though. I don't think I should use double click. I think double click should be for automatic reply, like just double click on that, then just show the reply here. So on a real device this does not work like this. You can see on this preview it shows that this input here, or this footer, or this chat field, this one that has, or this form here below here, it kind of like goes over the keyboard and nothing changes on the page. But on a real device I have some issues, so I'm going to fix that later on, but not today, not now. So right now I'm trying to make sure that, look how many lines this page has, 400 lines, so that's not good for me. So I have to make sure that I divide it. So there's a lot of stuff in here that I can make sure that I create custom components for it. Like for example, this form, I can create a custom component for this form to make sure that this page is at least 100 lines, you see, because I kind of get lost on when I have to, like, I kind of get lost in the code. So now I'm going to make sure that I divide this into the custom components. So I'm going to create a folder called under the lib components messenger. I'm gonna create a folder called chat. These are the components only for the chat. I'm not gonna reuse them anywhere else. So yeah, so let me see which component should go first, which one is the easiest to go. The chat field, okay, I think the chat field, no, the chat field is not the one that should go first. Okay, I think I should just send the chat field. Let me just copy it, copy, no, just cut. Just typing. Okay, I think the chat field ends here. Let me see, the chat field ended there. So I'm going to create a component inside the chat folder. I'm going to say it's a chat field. That's field. Going to paste it. Let's see. Okay, this element. Okay, let me go back to the original page. Let me start with the props first. Let's see, where's the chat field? The chat field script. So these are my props. So I'm going to need messages. It's an array, so I'm going to receive it as a prop. What else do I need? The element. Okay, the element will be in these functions. Toggle message options. Okay, they'll not be props. Instead, they'll be into this file. So yeah, let me see what else. Reply ID. The reply ID will be received as a prop. Message options, it's should be imported. The toggle message options, okay, should be inside this file. The chat will be received as a prop. The chat is received as a prop. Chat. And also, what else did I say should be? Okay, the reply ID. The reply ID should also received as a prop. What else? Okay, this one should be imported. Message options will be inside this page. So let me go copy the functions that need to be in that page. Copy, paste. Is mobile. Okay, also is mobile. Oh, a lot of props. That's not great. This mobile is also received as a prop. Let me go to Let me see what else. What else do I need? Close model, don't need a model in the chat. Introduce element. Okay. Oh, this effect must be inside this chat field. I'll paste the chat field there. What's happening? Scroll to bottom. Okay. I need this function called scroll to bottom from message. I'll copy this and I'll cut it. Copy and also copy this one. I'll cut this one. Come to this and paste the scroll to bottom. Take the after navigate. Remove these ones. We don't need those ones. After navigate, this is a really great function, man. A really great feature of Svelte. Yo. Auto reply. Okay. See. Okay. Think I made a mistake. Let me just return the scroll to bottom to its original file. This chat field will also receive the element as a prop and should be bindable. The scroll to bottom also can be received. Oh, so many elements, so many props. I mean, scroll to bottom should also be received. Okay, let's see. It's getting hot in here. What else? Okay, the element could be aggressive from that side. Okay. What's red in here? Message options. Yep, message options. Where do I have message options? I do have message options somewhere here. Message options. What's no. Okay, I want to make sure that how many lines? 300. Where's message options in here? Okay, there it is. Okay, so the chats, do you mean chat? This one is not important for me right now, guys. Delete this one. I'll turn it to its original file. Should be here. Save that one. What's red now? TypeScript emanyana TypeScript. No, it's not like that. Add so the chat field, wait, which page? Messenger options. No, the chat. I want to go to the chat and set the chat field between the form and the header. So this is the header, should be here. Chat field. What's happening? Going to show you now. Since it's not suggesting this component, let me just do it manually. So import chat field from the directory components messenger chat field. That's field. That should work. So the chat field needs what? Let me see. I forgot. It needs messages. It needs a chat. It needs reply ID. This one should be banded. Why isn't it bendable? Because I remember I banded it somewhere here, so I must bind it here also. So bind reply ID. What else is mobile? A lot of props. I don't like that. I need to bind the element also and pass this function. Scroll to bottom. It will not work. I know. Okay. How is it working? How? Wow. Does it work? Okay, yeah. That's yeah. I see. Okay, I see. So what's happening here is that when I send a message, it's not appearing on the chat field. Wait, everything is working. How? Okay, so now the problem, let me see on the mobile. Okay, I cannot do the double click. Okay, yeah. I can do the reply in here. Okay, cool. No errors. Let me see what it's saying. Form is not defined. Meaning in this page there's something called form that I did not define. Form. Oh no, let me check where. In the chat field. Is there form in here? Form. okay. Is the okay? Okay, I need to pass the form also as a prop. Many props. Pass the form object. Let's see. Hi. Okay, it's working. Technology. Will it work? It's working. I'm surprised. It's working. Okay, I'm done refactoring. Let me just push. I don't know what to say for the commit message. Just commit locally. Yeah, let's go. What else? What should I do next? Let me see on mobile. I cannot double click. Okay, but I can send the message, right? Oh, okay. Sure, I can send the message for sure. I need to send the message. Okay, on mobile the message is not sent. The message it's not. Yes, the message is not sent on mobile. Okay, let's see why. Reply is not defined in the chat field. Reply is not defined. Let's find the reply. Where is this reply that talking about? Reply. It seems like it's an icon from usage field. No, I'm in the wrong file. Reply. This reply, I think. Hey. Lindsay, what did I do? Reply. Thanks. Anything else? Hi. Okay, it's working. Any error? No error. Hola. Wait, why is it doing like this? Okay, understand. Nothing changed from this side. I can reply, right? Can I reply? I can reply to myself also. Okay, I can do that. So what should I fix next? I'm done fixing that. I'm done. Okay, let me see how many lines I have in this one. 300 and something lines. Okay, this demo data here. Yeah, I'll delete it. How many lines? 63 lines. Is it? No, it's not 63 lines. I'll remove that one when I hook it up to the back end, and also this one I'll remove it. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me now focus now on making the file smaller, but let me focus on the functionality of the application. So what's left now is, let me see, you can reply. So you must be able to reply, okay, the automatic reply, double click. But on mobile I'm trying to understand how can I make it, because I must be able to edit, reply and delete. And I don't think this context menu here it's proper, cause look at this now, it's not proper. Change the layout now. Should do like WhatsApp when you when I double click here, maybe it appears on top there, maybe something like that. Should I do that? Let me see. Should I do that? Should I? I think I should. Yes, I think I should. So let me go to message options. This is the component that I created for this context menu here. So what I can do in mobile, instead of displaying next to the, okay, I'm not sure which one I've clicked. Okay, but that's not a problem. Okay, instead of showing this here on the side, I can just make it fixed and display it at the top there. Make it a flex. Yeah. So let me see. How can I do that? Let me remove this flex code here. No longer need it. I can say fixed. Fix it to the top. Top to me. LG fixed top to me. Let's see. Z50. How does it okay, there it is there. Let me make sure it's top 0 and it's full LG. I like that. Will that be a great experience though? Okay, this one is still normal. Okay, like this. How does WhatsApp do it? Let me check on WhatsApp. Okay, let me see. On WhatsApp they have the back button, so I think okay, it also has a lot of props, but I will really need the is mobile prop. I will really need that that prop. So where is it passed? From the chat field? I think it's from the chat field. Is mobile on both components here and there. Sure. So yeah, on mobile, what it should do. Let me see. Remove this on mobile. Let me see. How is it displaying it? Wait. Okay, let me just click the back button. Okay. On mobile, you must be able to do this on mobile. It's arrow left. Copy that. Copy paste here. Okay, arrow left. Let me see something. Show me something. Okay, this button. Oh, okay. this. I think they should be in the same container. I hope it didn't. Oh, what's happening? Oh, I hope it doesn't change on this on desktop. Okay, the thing has changed on desktop, so I want to make sure that on mobile, is it flex? It is flex. So on mobile, it's gonna be justified between, and LG it's gonna be justify normal. Justify justify normal. Yeah, like that. And I need to make sure that on mobile there's no border radius, 0 border radius. No, it must not be like this. Yes, that's cool, that's great. Okay, and I want to make sure that this on mobile. Okay, on mobile I want to make sure that the space between these elements is at least 5 there, and RG space X is 0. Did it save? Space X. Is it space? What's happening? Instead I can just do this thing. This button is from daisyui. They already have the margins and the paddings set up, so they're gonna make what I expect them to be like. Let me see them now, like that. Yeah, and on desktop it's still the same. So yeah, I want them like that. So now I need to be able to show which one was clicked. So how am I going to show that? The reply ID, I have the reply ID here now. Okay, this one is supposed to be in the chat field for sure. So let's see this chat. Okay, what happens is that when I double click, when I double click it, took on message options, message.time. Currently I'm using that as the ID. Okay, the ID. Okay, the message options.id is equals to the message ID. Therefore, you need to make sure that that div, this one here, is it this one? No, it's this message name, this one. I wanna make sure I wanna do this now. Is equals to message dot time, because I use time as the ID currently. What am I doing? I want to make sure that it's BG what? BG. How does WhatsApp do it? Okay. It uses this one. bg accent 200 for now. Okay, what was that? bg accent 200 for this application. Then do nothing there. Let me see. Let me double click on this one. Aha, you see. That's nice. That's really nice. Copy and paste now. Copy. Go to the message. This one from the user. I wanna see an else. Okay, this is the else that I'm looking for. Message sent to them. So oh, okay, I forgot to do that. I must make sure that on a large device it shows nothing. It shows nothing. bg inherit. Is it gonna inherit error? Did I save? Let me see. Let me see. Okay. Back to this one. Yup. Now it's proper. It's proper. So now this button must be able to work. So now I remember that this is the one that makes sure that this the message options are displayed. If the message options is null, then no message options is gonna be displayed. So when I click that button, I must make meaning I have to pass the message options here. Message options here. Must bind it so that it can be able to be edited. That's in okay. Let me see. Change the message options to be a let instead of a constant. Then I can go to the message options, then make a bindable prop. It's this. So when that button is clicked, this big button here, one click, message options must be null. So the message options to null. Okay, let me remove this one. It's causing a conflict. Save. So I can click this. I want to click the big button. Okay, there's an error. Cannot set properties of null setting ID. Where is that running from? Chat field. Oh. Okay, let me go to the chat field and see. Okay, message options ID equals to null. Oh, okay, I should set the ID to null instead. The ID instead of the whole object. So causing issue. Just like that. When I click, it should work, right? And should wait. Let me reload this page, man. Oh, let me see. Okay, it works. It works. Just like WhatsApp. It's been something that I really wanted to do, like, in a while. Since grade 10, man, I was so in love with WhatsApp. Not with the how normal people use it, but I was so fascinated. I always wanted to know how it was made. I always wanted to make something like WhatsApp or Facebook. So what else is left? What else is left now? Everything is working. Everything is working. What is left? What's left? What's do I have any bugs somewhere? At least any bug nyana? There's no bug. I think okay, this is the end of the video. Let me just commit. I don't know how to commit, guys. Why did I push it to oh man.